Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make smarter purchase decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On one side, we have the ATTOP drone, and on the other, the Tamiz 4K drone. Get ready for an in-depth comparison to see which one comes out on top. Let's start with camera quality. The ATTOP drone features a 1080p camera with a 120 degrees field of view. It's great for capturing those casual moments and has been praised for its clear images, although some reviewers mentioned it could be better. On the other hand, the Tamiz 4K drone boasts a 4K UHD camera with a 110 degrees field of view. Reviewers love the high-definition quality, perfect for capturing detailed and professional-looking footage. If camera quality is your top priority, the Tamiz 4K drone takes the lead. Next up, battery life. The ATTOP drone comes with 3.7 volts, 1,100 milliamp hours rechargeable batteries, giving you a total of 30 minutes of flight time. Reviewers appreciate the multiple batteries, although they note the overall flight time is still on the shorter side. The Tamiz 4K drone doesn't specify the exact battery life, but users suggest it lasts around 20 minutes per charge. Reviewers recommend buying extra batteries to extend flight time. While both drones could benefit from longer battery life, the ATTOP drone offers more out-of-the-box flight time. Now, let's talk about fun features. The ATTOP drone is packed with features like route drawing on the app, voice control, and 360 degrees flips. Reviewers find these features entertaining and user-friendly. The Tamiz 4K drone, equipped with gravity control, altitude hold, and 3D flips, also offers a variety of fun features. Users particularly enjoy the ease of use and the drone's ability to perform acrobatic tricks. Both drones offer a range of fun features, but the Tamiz 4K drone's gravity control adds an extra layer of excitement. Ease of use is crucial, especially for beginners. The ATTOP drone comes with one key return, altitude hold, and headless mode, making it accessible even for those new to flying drones. Reviewers commend its ease of operation and good instructions. The Tamiz 4K drone also features one-touch takeoff, altitude hold, and headless mode. Users find it easy to use without reading the manual and appreciate its intuitive controls. Both drones are beginner-friendly, but the Tamiz 4K drone edges out slightly with its more intuitive setup. Finally, let's talk design and portability. The ATTOP drone folds up nicely and comes with a carrying case, making it easy to transport. Reviewers note its durable build but mention some issues with malfunctioning parts. The Tamiz 4K drone has a sleek, foldable design and weighs less than 250 grams, which means no FAA registration is required. Users appreciate its lightweight and compact design, as well as the included carrying case. If portability and design are key factors for you, the Tamiz 4K drone stands out. Overall, both drones have their strengths and weaknesses. The ATTOP drone is praised for its ease of use, extended battery setup, and versatility in features, but some reviewers have experienced issues with durability and malfunctioning parts. The Tamiz 4K drone, on the other hand, receives high marks for its exceptional camera quality, intuitive controls, and compact design, though its battery life could be improved. Reviewers generally find it more reliable and user-friendly. So there you have it, folks. The ATTOP drone versus the Tamiz 4K drone. Both have their strengths and quirks, but only you can decide which one suits your flying fantasies. Smash that like button, subscribe for more informative product comparisons, and let us know in the comments which drone you're rooting for. Check out the product links in the description. Until next time, stay smart, stay savvy, and keep flying high.